Council says that I'm here not just as a lawyer, but they think there's a political agenda. The case itself is a political agenda. How can you divorce politics from the law? The two are so closely related. Leadership is a political agenda. Issues of whether the military court can try a civilian are so political as they are legal. I don't want to go beyond that, but we'll keep marching on. You know that today we have a colleague lawyer from Angola who is making her way here. It's part of the reason why we delayed you a little. There are also several lawyers from Kenya, and one of whom have applied for a practicing certificate. I will advise him maybe not to rob so that he may not be denied. Her names, her full names.
Hello everyone. My name is Margaret Nangakovie. I'm a lawyer for human rights in Angola. I was invited to this initiative by Dr. Marta, and I'm glad to be here because I think this movement for freedom in Africa is our fight, our contribution against authoritarianism. And we hope that our presence can strengthen our cooperation through Africa as well, because Uganda problems are similar to everywhere in Africa, even in Angola. So we are here to show our solidarity, but also our protest. I would say this very, this savage act of abducting a civilian and bring him to a military court as an act of intimidation, oppressing civil liberties as well. So I hope to support Dr. Marta, and with colleagues, I hope for us to create this movement of protest through Africa and raise also awareness around this case.
Thank you. We received our colleagues from Tanzania and from Kenya. So we hope to be more than we are. Thank you very much.
So you're most welcome.
It's the team in Uganda. They had invited me as a lead lawyer from Kenya, but my certificate was declined. We will be giving you the reasons later.
And all those dynamics and how we can navigate around this. So, yes.
There is leadership right through the chain. So there is no question of saying there is no leadership. The question is, will Besigye get lawyers of his choice? And it is not for anybody else to ask, what special talent do you bring? It's for Besigye under the Constitution and Mr. Rutale to ask, is this the team I want? Nobody else can ask that question. That runs right through.
You see, there are two things I can explain here probably, just to amplify this, to buttress the point. The right to legal representation is constitutional and is universal. And the right to choose a lawyer, as she stated here, is not restricted to only one lawyer. It's a team. Now, it's a critical element of the right to fair hearing. If you deny Dr. Besigye the right to choose lawyers of his choice, more so the leadership of that particular team.